Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is Lesson 66 practice set video. So in Lesson 66, we're going to be drawing ratio boxes. To solve these problems, begin by drawing a ratio box. The bicycle store has mountain bikes and racing bikes on the showroom floor at a ratio of 3 to 5. If there are a total of 72, so this is total, 72 bicycles on the showroom floor, how can you find the number of racing bikes? Use your method to find the answer. I'm not sure what that's supposed to mean, but we have this ratio, which indicates we're going to need a ratio box. So let's go ahead and draw that. So we have ratio and actual. And we have, let's see, mountain bikes, racing bikes in total. So for the ratio, it says the store has mountain bikes and racing bikes on the showroom floor. So it's mountain to racing, and I'm going to add, so that gives me a total of 8. If there are a total of 72, so that's going to go 72 actual bikes, how can you find the number of racing bikes? So this becomes our unknown. Let me change colors. So this is still the Dora method, with ratio box, proportion, cross multiply. So here's our ratio box. Our proportion is right here. So step 2 is going to be 5/8 equals x over 72. We get another color. And then we're going to cross multiply. So I have 8 times x is equal to 5 times 72. 8x is equal to, let me check my handy dandy calculator, 5 times 72 is 360. I'm going to divide to solve for x. X is equal to 45. So this is 45. Okay. The recycling club collects cans and bottles for recycling. The ratio of cans to bottles collected, so we have ratio, is 8 to 9. If they collected 240 cans, how many total items, so this is total, were recycled? Did they collect in all? So let's draw our box. So this is ratio, actual. Let's see, so we have cans, bottles, and total. The ratio of cans to bottles was 8 to 9. So when I add that, I get 17. If they collected 240 cans, we want to know the total of everything they collected. Let's do green. Okay, so from here, so we have ratio box, proportion, cross multiply. So I'm going to use this and this to make my proportion. So I have 8 over 17 is equal to 240 over x. And then I'm going to cross multiply. So let's see. I have 17 times 240 is equal to 8x. Using my handy dandy calculator, 17 times 240 is 4,080. And then I'm going to divide to solve for x. So that's divided by 8 is 510. So that would mean this is equal to 510. Once I have that, I could find the number of bottles if I wanted to, but they don't ask for that. All right, the ratio of, so we have ratio of big fish to little fish is 4 to 11. If there were this many total fish in the pond, how many big fish were there? All right. So ratio box. So we have ratio, we have actual, we have big fish, little fish, and total. So my ratio of big fish to little fish is 4 to 11. I'm going to add that and get 15. If there were a total of 1,320 fish, how many big fish were there? Okay, let's grab a different color. So again, we're doing ratio box, proportion, cross multiply. We're going to use this row and this row. So I have 4 over 15 is equal to x over 1320. So we're going to cross multiply. I have 15x is equal to 4 times 1320. Using my handy dandy calculator, 4 times 1320 is 5280. X is equal to, if I divide by 15, so that means this is 352. All right, and there's starred problems. So I'm going to go ahead and stop with the practice set. We'll do starred problems in a different video. Let me know if you have any questions.